Welcome to review the SEM 920F motor grader operation and maintenance introduction video. It includes operation safety instructions, machine operation, and machine maintenance. Safety instructions. Operators must wear a hard hat, safety glasses, safety vest, safety gloves, and safety shoes before entering the machine. Walk around it to ensure that the surroundings are safe and that there are no obvious abnormalities on the machine. When entering or leaving the machine, do not hold any objects in your hands and always maintain 3 points of contact. After entering the machine, first fasten your seatbelt and check that there are no fault alarms on the dashboard. Make sure everything is normal and sound the horn before starting the engine. The driver must remain focused to ensure safe driving. To park the machine temporarily, apply the parking brake, remove the key, and lock the door when leaving the machine. Machine operation. Start switch. Turn the key clockwise to the on position. Check the dashboard for flashing lights, and stop immediately for inspection if there are any. With the parking brake applied, and the transmission in neutral, turn the key to the starting position for no more than 10 seconds at a time, with at least 60 seconds between each turn. Dashboard. Left turn indicator. Right turn indicator. Engine tachometer. Displays engine speed. Parking brake indicator. This light is illuminated when the parking brake is applied. High beam indicator. Low brake air pressure warning light. This light indicates that the brake air pressure is low and the machine must be stopped immediately for inspection. Battery charging warning light. The indicator light illuminates when the engine is running to indicate that the alternator is not supplying power and the engine needs to be stopped and checked immediately. Level 2 and Level 3 alarm indicators. If this light comes on, the machine must be stopped immediately for inspection. Cylinder position indicator. This light is illuminated when the positioning cylinder is being repositioned. LCD display. Displays the speed of the machine. Displays oil level, working hours, coolant temperature gauge. If the coolant temperature gauge is in the red zone, stop for inspection. Transmission oil temperature gauge. If the oil temperature gauge is in the red zone, stop for inspection. Engine oil pressure warning light. If this light comes on, the engine oil pressure is low and the machine must be stopped immediately for inspection. Switch information. Turn signal switch. Front working light switch. Rear working light switch. Blade light switch. Hazard light switch. Instrument panel light switch. Low and high beam switches. Front upper wiper switch. Washer switch. Center shift lock control switch. This switch must be turned on when the cylinder position is changed. Press the locking pin and move the switch up to release the steady rest lock. When the switch is moved down, the steady rest is locked. Parking brake switch. The parking brake engages when this switch is pulled up and disengages when it is pushed down. Shift lever. Forward. Push the handle to the right and then back to the desired forward gear. Neutral. The middle gear position is neutral. Reverse. Push the handle to the left and then back to the desired reverse gear. Throttle pedal. Brake pedal. When depressed, the brake light is illuminated. Joysticks of working tools. Mechanically operated. When released, the lever automatically returns to its original position. Blade lift control handle, LH. Pull the handle back to raise the left end of the blade. Push forward to lower the left end of the blade. Blade side shift control handle. Pull the handle back to move the blade to the right. Push the handle forward to move the blade to the left. Blade circle drive control handle. Pull the handle back to rotate the blade clockwise. Push the handle forward to rotate the blade counterclockwise. Blade tilt control handle. Push the handle forward to tilt the top of the blade forward. Pull the handle backwards to tilt the top of the blade backwards. Ripper control handle, optional. Pull back the handle to raise the ripper and push forward to lower. Center frame control handle. Pull the handle backwards to move the center frame to the right side. Push the handle forward to move the center frame to the left side. Front wheel tilt control handle. Pull the handle backwards to tilt the front wheel to the right. Push forward to tilt it to the left. Blade lift control handle, RH. Pull the handle backwards to raise and push forward to lower the right end of the blade. Articulation control handle. When the machine is moving, pull the handle backwards to turn right and push it forward to turn left. This operation is not recommended when the machine is stationary. Plow dozer control handle, optional. Pull the handle backwards to raise the plow dozer. Push the handle forward to lower the plow dozer. Air conditioning control panel. Airflow switch. Controls the 4 speeds of the fan. They are off, O, low, L, medium, M, and high, H. Temperature control switch. Turn clockwise to turn the air conditioner on. Turn further to reduce the air conditioning temperature. Note, if the heater is operating, the heater valve must be open before starting the engine. Battery disconnect switch. The battery disconnect switch controls the electrical system of the machine. Park the machine. Park the machine horizontally on the ground with the transmission in neutral, the parking brake applied, the working tools lowered to the ground, and the engine stopped after 5 minutes of low idling. Seat adjustment, weight adjustment. Turn the handle clockwise to increase capacity and counterclockwise to decrease capacity. 3-level height adjustment. The first level is the lowest seat position, the second is 1 click higher, and the third is reached with a second click, after which the seat returns to the first level when released at the highest point. Armrest adjustment. Turn the knob at the bottom of the armrest clockwise to lower the armrest and counterclockwise to raise. Forward and backward adjustment. Push the adjustment lever upwards to move the seat forwards or backwards. Release the lever to lock the seat. Backrest angle adjustment. Pull the backrest adjustment lever upwards and lean forwards or backwards to adjust the backrest angle. Release the handle when the angle is set to a comfortable position. Machine maintenance. Engine maintenance. Air filter element. Air filter maintenance indicator. When the air filter maintenance indicator is red, clean the outer filter element with clean compressed air. The outer filter element can be cleaned up to 5 times before replacement. The inner filter element cannot be cleaned and must be replaced along with the outer filter element, either after 5 cleanings or 500 hours of operation, whichever comes first. Engine oil filter. Engine oil filler cap. Engine oil drain plug. Note, change the engine oil and oil filter after the first 50 hours of use and then every 250 hours. The oil level should be in the middle of the oil dipstick. Primary fuel filter, drain valve. Secondary fuel filter. Note, replace the fuel filter every 500 hours and check the primary filter drain valve for water and drain it daily. Fuel tank filler filter. Check the fuel tank filler filter every 2,000 hours and replace if damaged. Alternator belt. To check the tension of the belt, press the belt with a force of 39 Newton. The deformation should be 10 to 15 millimeters. Coolant fill port. Coolant drain. Coolant level sight glass. The coolant should be changed every 10,000 working hours or 5 years. The coolant level should be in the center of the sight glass. If low, top up with the same type of coolant from the same manufacturer. Do not mix different types of coolant. Hydraulic system maintenance. Hydraulic oil tank fill port and screen. Hydraulic tank oil return filter. Hydraulic oil tank drain plug. Note: the hydraulic return filter should be changed after the first 250 hours of use and then every 1,000 hours. The hydraulic oil and filler screen every 2,000 hours. The hydraulic oil level should be at half of the oil gauge. Transmission system maintenance. Transmission oil fill port. Transmission oil gauge. Run the machine for 3 to 5 minutes. The oil level should be in the middle of the oil gauge. Transmission oil filter. Transmission drain oil plug. Note: the transmission oil and oil filters must be changed after the first 250 hours of use and then every 1,000 hours. Tandem drive axle. Main reducer drain plug and filling oil level plug. The main reducer oil must be changed every 1,000 hours. Tandem axle oil drain plug. Tandem axle oil filling oil level plug. The tandem axle oil must be changed every 2,000 hours. Worm gearbox. Worm gearbox oil fill drain port. The worm gearbox oil must be changed every 2,000 hours. AC filter maintenance. Remove the cover and remove the air conditioning filter. Clean and inspect every 50 hours. The same goes for the fresh air filter. Braking system maintenance. Brake air booster. Check daily that the fluid level in the oil reservoir is between the middle and top lines. Use the same brake oil when topping up. Check the air reservoir daily and drain any water. Air dryer. Change the dryer every 1,000 hours. Make sure the system is depressurized before changing the air dryer. Check the brake pads daily for wear and replace with new pads when the grooves are worn out. Electrical system maintenance. Check the condition of the lights, dashboard, fuses, and wiring harness daily. Clean the battery terminals and lubricate with Vaseline every 250 hours. Pin and drive shaft maintenance. Lubrication points for hinge pins. We believe that after watching the video, you will have a more comprehensive understanding of the operation and maintenance of the SEM 920F motor grader and related safety instruction, which will help your equipment to work with better performance and longer service life. Thank you for watching and for your trust in SEM.